go, buddy.
There! That wasn't so bad.
Chickaletta, are you all right, my little chick? Oh.
Excuse me! That was delicious!
Oh, you're safe. Excuse you, Chickaletta.
Excuse me! It's amazing how much rubble puffs up when he eats popcorn. Now it should close.
I guess after all the excitement, you deserve a nibble.
Here you go. Mr. Porter's mini pies. Whoa, that was fast.
What? The baskets! The candy!
Ha! Finally, someone else swipes out for a change. It's a perfect match.
And that sounds like somebody who just ate a house.
Oh, maybe I've been making you eat too much corn, Chickaletta.
Yummy pineapple. Come and get it.
Oh, great. Now it's full.
No. I ate too many escargots. Excusez-moi.
But if it's not in the pot... Oh, come back.
Oh, Garby, mind your manners in front of our guests.
Looks like I found a sweet way to control Spock's off-drool.
Hey! Did you eat all my buttery popcorn goodness? That's it.
Don't worry, the Paw Patrol is on the way. Chickaletta, slow down. You'll get a tummy ache.
Ooh. Oh, excuse me.
Thanks to them, Chickaletta is the most glamorous animal in town. Huh?